leadership does begin at home, even with pets. So I just want to say thank you.
Wow. Thank you, Dr. Betty.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon. Probably good afternoon. I hope you all had a great session. It's really great to be with everybody today. And I was on one of the earlier sessions, and the Himalayan way is just a perfect place wherever you are on your leadership journey. And we're all still on our leadership journey. And that really is part of the fun.
It is feeling of such beautiful experiences, the experiences shared by Peter and other co-participants. It was such a beautiful thing. You're learning every day, you're learning every minute. There are certain things which I have not learned, but I'm learning on this platform. The kind of inspiration that I'm getting, the kind of motivation that I'm getting. And, to say that I thought, okay, I'm ready to do it. But I still feel I need much more to start my journey as a trainer. And to follow you, as you said, the best leaders are the followers. I feel, yes, I am following you, and I'm following other leaders, and I'm learning from your experiences, I'm learning from your coachings, I'm learning from your mentoring, I'm learning from your trainings, and it is giving me an uplift, and I am willing to share this. I'm willing to share this with hundreds of people, and if they can get that kind of motivation that I'm getting from you all, I mean, it's I feel I've done it. So with that feeling, I thank you today, Peter. Yours was such a big mountainous, big journey, grandeur of mountains, but mine, smaller mountains I've crossed, and that goosebump feelings were coming whilst I was listening to you. And certainly these are all inspirations, these are all learning, and it's a journey. It's a journey, we have to go through it, and we fall down, we get up, we create, we evolve, we become new people. And as I said yesterday, I would love to be learning whilst I'm leaving this world, because I would like to leave this world as a new person, like a new being. So this was such an insightful time today. I really enjoyed myself with all of you. All of you have your own, sharings and all your experiences. You learn so much. I mean, I'm just sitting here and I'm learning so much. And I wonder if I have to meet you all. I would love to hug you all for, I thank you so much for this.
Wow. Very good.
Hi.
Say hello, everyone. Say hello. Hello, what's your name?
Hania. Her name is Hania.
Hania, everyone say hello. Thank you.
Learning while taking care of the kids on a Sunday afternoon.
Spirituality is all about giving, guys, and you cannot take out spirituality from leadership, because without giving, there is no leading. Without giving, there is no leading. Leaders always give, guys. That's why they are leaders. Okay, so with that, let's have a big round of applause for all the leaders, right? I'm sure you guys will do so well. You guys have been really doing so well, and I'm very, very proud of you. And you are keeping yourself happy, and keep going, guys. Nothing else matters. And yes, face to face we will meet. So destiny has made us meet like in a Zoom call. Destiny will also make us meet face to face today. You never know, Arun. You'll be sitting in a flight, and from the back there comes a hand and says, "Hey, Arun, do you remember?" One day that's going to happen. So let's have a big round of applause for everyone for being here on a Sunday morning. I definitely love it, guys. More than anything, you have given us time, and in today's world, time is the most expensive thing. Thank you from my side and Peter's side. We really do a great namaste. Big hello to all of you. And keep growing, guys. Keep growing. Make your life magical with leadership. Everyone do this along with me. Just say magical life. I'm attracting a magical life. I'm attracting a magical life. Hey, magical life, come to me. Come to. Let's stay in touch, guys, and have a good one. Remember, the start always takes care of the end. And today you made a new start. Thank you and have a good one.